At Morgan&Mallet International, we specialize in placing highly skilled, dedicated professionals into luxury homes around the world. Today, we are excited to assist a wonderful family based in the prestigious Paris 7th arrondissement. They are seeking an experienced nanny or governess to provide exceptional care for their 2 young children within their refined, well-organized home. This is an incredible opportunity for a compassionate and proactive individual to join a dynamic household and play a pivotal role in the children's development. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.